All right, everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here in Davidsonville, Maryland. We have the WAPA event. This is the WAPA Fall Rally. So every year the Washington Automotive Press Association puts on a rally, and a rally is where they bring all different vendors, manufacturers to one different place, and we get to test drive these cars. So we have Honda, and Honda I'm especially ready to check out because they actually have motorcycles here and I want to check those out. But I'm only here for a little bit, but we are going to check out as many vendors as we can. And I got here a little late, so we will see what we can see here. So everybody, welcome to the channel. I want to get with you real quick and just let you know a little bit about this bike. In the future video, I will be doing a complete review of this bike, so I will leave most of the information for that video. But this is a 2025 NX500. It is a base model adventure bike. It is coming in at around $7,400, and that is before destination charges. This thing does have a 471cc liquid cooled parallel twin 4-stroke motor. It is a 6-speed as well. This is your mid-size adventure bike. It has a seat height of 32.8 inches. So if you are vertically challenged, just be aware, but you totally can rock this bike if you are of a shorter stature, but it is a tall bike. So this bike does come with ABS. I do really like this twin outlet muffler that it has. It's pretty nice. It sounds really good. So my man Rob here, who is our Honda representative, he is going to ride with me. He's going to be the lead bike, and he is going to show me around the course that we have so that I can take this bike out and just kind of get a feel for it. Like I said, in a future video, we will do a complete review of the NX500, but for right now, we are just going to take a quick ride. Oh yeah. The level of comfort that you feel on this, because you are so upright, you're not leaning over, you're not putting a lot of pressure on your wrists. So this is totally a bike that you can ride for a hell of a lot longer than you can a sport bike, in my opinion. So we're getting on it a little bit. Yeah, this feels good. Let's see, visibility is really good with this bike. Side view mirrors, I can see everything behind me. The windshield, it doesn't seem like it really does too much. I don't think I'm going fast enough to really notice. I will say, once I actually jumped on the bike that Rob is on, the CB300R, I did notice that that windshield actually played a huge difference in how much wind force you felt against your chest. Now what Rob was telling me is that of course the higher trim levels you go, the more different features that this have. Quick shifter, cruise control, things of that nature. And so shifting was not that bad. It didn't feel overly clunky or anything like that. It shifted pretty well, and so I know that is a concern for a lot of people. You'll hear me talk about it here in a second, but whenever you turn or lean to turn this bike, it actually feels really, really good. Yeah, very nice. I like how this dips into turns. Very natural. It doesn't seem forced. I don't necessarily want to say that the Hayabusa feels forced, but compared to this, it feels forced. Okay, this feels really good. Like
it was a lot faster coming back this way than going the other way. So if you have time, we'll do it again and we'll switch bikes.
Okay.
I'm not gonna go back to the tent. I'll pull over down a little further here.
Okay.
All right. Again.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, it's a lot better on my back.
The bikes are really comfortable.
It is. I can see why people take this on cross-country trips. It's just way more comfortable.
Yep. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
That upright feeling just, it just works wonders on your back.
Yeah, it's just enough, you're leaning enough where you can support your legs, your back.
Yeah. Everybody, so there you go, just a quick ride on the NX500. At this point, you see me and Rob, we end up switching motorcycles, and then I ended up taking out the CB300R. That will be a separate video, but thank you guys very much for coming by. If you like the video, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like button. If you like the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are a new channel and we're trying to get those subscribers up there. So thank you guys very much, and remember, everyone deployed and I am out.